Western political thought. Plato. Plato was born in Athens in 427 BC when the civilization of ancient Greece was at the zenith of glory and eminence. He belonged to royal blood of aristocracy. From his mother's side he was related to Solon, the lawgiver. He made efforts to discover the eternal principles of human conduct, that is justice, temperance and courage, which alone imbibe the happiness to the individual and stability to the states. In 399 BC, the turning point came in the life of Plato. The defeat of Athens by Sparta made him to despise democracy. He wandered abroad for 12 years in Persia, Egypt, Africa, Italy and Sicily in the hours of disillusionment, absorbing wisdom from every source and tasting every creedal dogma. Then he returned to Athens and opened an academy. He wrote about 36 treatises, all in the form of dialogue. His academy became the best school in Athens. Work of Plato. The Republic is the most important and authentic work of Plato. It was about political philosophy, ethics, education and metaphysics. Other works of Plato include the Politicus, the Apology, the Meno, the Protagoras, the Gorgias, and the Critias.